Okay, so we did products that give me 24 and things that give me a sum or difference of 11, right? So 8 and 3, when you add them, so let's put it's a sum, it gives me 11. Well, pay attention because this is a negative 11. So if it's a sum, both of them need to be negative. Los dos van a ser negativos. So when I put my my answers down, it's going to be m times m, and both of them are going to be negative. Okay? And the order doesn't matter. I don't care if you put the 3 first and then the 8. But both of them were supposed to be negative. Is this what you got? Let's go to the next page. Okay, some of you already started this, so if you started, all you're doing is checking your answers. If not, I would really suggest you pause the video and work out as many as you can and then check them. Okay? I need products of 16. So what are some products? What are some numbers that give me a product of 16? 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. Right? 4 times 4 is 16. Then I need a sum or a difference of 6. So which one of these, when you add or subtract them, gives you 6? 8 and 2 if I subtract them, right? So if I'm subtracting, one of them has to be positive, one of them has to be negative. The bigger number takes this sign. Whatever this sign is, the bigger number is going to take it. So 8 is going to be positive because that's the bigger number. And look at all the notes that I'm writing. You guys should be writing the same notes so that you know how to do it for the next problems. So my answer is going to start with A times A. Okay? And we said that the 8 is positive. I don't care if you put it here or here. It doesn't matter. Positive 8 and negative 2. The 2 is negative, the 8 is positive because the bigger number takes that sign. Okay? El número más grande tiene que llevar este símbolo. Got it? Let's start problem 6. Pause the video and keep. All right, so I need factors of 72. I know that 1 times 72 works. And I bet you, some of you didn't know that it's 2 times 36 also works. And then, what was that other one? 3 times what? 24 also works. 3 times 24 works. And then what's the other one? 4 times 18? What about 6? 6 times 12? And 8 times 9. Those are factors of 72. I need something that gives me a sum or a difference of 14. Which one adds or subtracts and gives me 14? These two, right? If you do the difference. That means one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. That's what difference means. When I say difference, I'm subtracting them. One's positive, one's negative. The bigger number is going to have the negative. So the bigger number is 18. That's going to be the negative one. So when I write it down, I have x times x, negative 18, positive 4. And I don't care where you put them, but the 18 is the negative one, and the 4 is the positive one. Because of this sign. Look at this symbol. Look at this symbol. The big one takes this symbol. El más grande gets that one. Always. Whatever that number is. See, this one was positive. This one was negative. This one was the bigger number. This is the bigger number here. Okay? Now let's do number 7, and then you're going to do the other ones by yourself. I need you to practice by yourself. But number 7 is a special case. Okay? Let's rewrite it. This is like saying b squared plus 0b minus 36, because in the middle, you see right here, I'm missing a 0. So this is in the middle. If it's missing, it's a 0. Got it? So we do it the same. I need products or factors of 36. So two numbers that give me a product of 36. And then a sum or a difference of 0. Okay? So give me products of 36. 1 times 36. 2 times 18. 3 times 12. 4 times 9. And the last one, you are missing the answer. What's the next one? 6 times 6. Okay? When you multiply 6 times 6, it gives you 36. And when you take the difference, okay, when you take the difference, it gives you 0. When you subtract these two, that gives you 0. So one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. Okay? So my answer is b plus 6 and b minus 6. You guys are doing really good. I need you to keep practicing. I want you to do problem 8, 9, and 10. And when you finish, show it to me, and then you're going to go do delta math. Okay? For today's assignment.